Hello friends, I am Sali. Welcome to my channel. I am here with another nice video again. Today I'm going to show you around this 146 square meter duplex prefabricated house. I'm going to introduce it to you guys. Our building, as I mentioned, was set up as a 146 square meter duplex prefabricated house. Cladding process was performed on the exterior of our building. The windows of our building are in wood colors and shutter process was applied, folks. So the balcony at the lower door of our building is 13 square meters like this. There is a balcony of 5 square meters above this subfloor. We have a balcony for tea and coffee drinking. We also have another balcony of 5 square meters coming out of the bedroom on the back facade. As I mentioned, the exterior of our building has cladding and aging dimension. That's it, folks. As you can see on the roof of our building, solar energy can be easily installed, friends. There are also a lot of people asking here, can I use solar energy? Can I have solar energy installed on the roof? It carries comfortably. There's no problem, no trouble, folks. Yes, on the steel door side of our building, that is where the entrance door is, there is a car garage in the form of a hangar. Alan was built. The insulation of the ceiling here was also done, folks. Our aluminum railings were made. The back door is a steel door. We enter from the steel door and there's the living room, kitchen, and right next to the entrance there is a toilet bathroom section, guys. The toilet bathroom was stuck like this. The toilet was stuck. Ceramic works were done, friends. After passing the toilet bathroom section, from the right we have stairs to the upper floor, friends.
Subtitle MK.
Let's move on to the living room section. Let me show you the width of the living room section. Our living room section, a quite sufficient 28 square meter living room, and our customer here minimize the furnishings. We have a very spacious, airy living room section, folks. We have a sliding door from the living room to the balcony section, folks. This is how we exit to the balcony section, and you can see our exit from the kitchen as well. The interior facade of our building has been plasterboard coated and plastered our walls. It has gained a completely renovated house view, stepping out of the prefabricated look. After passing through the living room section, the kitchen section is also like this. It has a very spacious, airy kitchen, folks. The dining table and the like will not fit comfortably. Again, we have access to the balcony from the kitchen. When we go up to the upper floor, there's a bedroom right to the right, a study room. There's also a guest room across. Again, on the left side there's the pantry, and there's a toilet bathroom section. Let's start touring from the bathroom like this. The toilet bathroom section is quite comfortable, spacious, airy even. The shower tub too, just enough to fit. Again, there is a wardrobe here. In the pantry section,
Again,
the third cabinet.
left.
Our client preferred to put it here. It turned out very comfortable. Its use is nice. Now let's move to the bedroom. The bedroom is 14 square meters. It's quite comfortable. A very spacious bedroom. Again, from the bedroom we have an exit to the balcony at the back through a sliding door. As I said, it's about 5 square meters. A place to drink tea and coffee. There's a balcony here, guys. Let me show you the width of the bedroom once more. And then the bedroom wardrobe section.
Goodbye.
It fits comfortably, guys. Let's take a look at the study room after the bedroom. Our customer has designed, imagine the study room, a desk like this, quite nice. Again, from this study room, there's an exit to the balcony section with a sliding door. Here on the balcony, again a small balcony. After the study room is finally the guest room, with a double bed and wardrobe section in the guest room. To comfortably you can comfortably accommodate your guests in this room, in this way. Again, from this room too, there is also an exit to the balcony area, guys. My video.
Thank you all for watching.
If you liked my video, don't forget to hit the like button to not miss the upcoming videos. You can subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications by pressing the bell button. Goodbye, enjoy watching.